Hey everyone, today I'm going to take you to a tour of the Oreo ROM for XIAOMI Mi4I, or well known as Lineage OS 15.1. So let's head straight to the page of the ROM. So this is the page on the XDA official page. So you can see a lot of things that works. Mi4I Android 8. So what doesn't work is the hotspot, and Linux is permissive. But Linux is permissive, you won't even notice. You won't even have to pay any attention to that. So, and the other thing is all the builds, the gaps, and the firmware have been linked over here. So, if the simple way to do is to download the firmware first, because if you are from older ROM, for example, say a marshmallow ROM like the Resurrection remix, so you have to first initially flash the 8.1.5 zip, and then you have to go ahead and flash the ROM and then the gaps, and then you can boot. It's a very simple ROM to flash, nothing very special of the in the flashing process, so that is going to be easy. It's a stable ROM. Okay, so this was the description, but now let me tell you how it feels in real time using it. It is not much of a problem. It's pretty smooth. It flies through most of the objects, most of the tasks that I put it through, so that is not a problem. There are issues with the ROM that you need to consider before you are trying to flash it. First, that the rotation sensor won't work. Simply, it's on and off, doesn't matter. It just won't work. Okay, now the second thing is that you won't get Google Now Assistant, like by holding the home button. I'm holding the whole home button right now, and Google Now Assistant won't be triggered. And even after that, if you go ahead and launch the assistant, you'll just end up in a search bar, or yes, something like this, and then say okay Google. It will end up like that. So the assistant won't work, the rotation sensor won't work. One more thing is that if you go ahead in settings and just tap on search, it will eventually crash. So it will crash. These are the three prominent bugs that you'll see, and there's nothing too hard that will hinder you from using it. WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, everything is working fine. The ROM is butter smooth, as you can already see, and I play games also. The battery is very well optimized. So kudos to the developers. So let me just go ahead and show you the Android version on the settings in this phone. Although you already know what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and systems about phone and just tap on this Android version just to ensure that show you all this pointless octopus. Okay, now it will become smooth. Okay, the lag is only due to the reason that I'm screen recording already this phone, so that might be the problem. For the rest part, the ROM is perfectly fine. If you're looking forward to flashing an Oreo ROM, this is the best and probably the only one ROM present on the market for the Mi4I. So it's better, you can flash it, but I would still suggest that you go down and stay with the Nougat build, because Nougat build has everything that you want. Lineage OS 14 has everything you want, and you can always customize it, because that's also Nougat is also pretty good right now. And flashing an Oreo build right now, because it's not complete, the ROM is not complete, because you cannot use important sensors like this one. Now about the camera, I have flashed the Xiaomi camera on it, but this is the stock camera. It will have the standard interface. I don't know why it won't launch right now. Okay, maybe screen recording doesn't allow camera launch. Xiaomi camera launches, so a good focus. So I am using Xiaomi focus. I don't know why the stock camera won't launch. Now it has launched, no problem. So standard Google camera, and that is the Xiaomi camera. So you can just flash it out of on the XD8's given link. I'll give you the link at the bottom. So yes, this is it for Android Oreo on Xiaomi Mi4i. Thank you.